It's Mrs. Ratcliffe here, and today I'm continuing our talk about algebra to discuss formulas. Formulas are not that different to what we've been doing already, but the basic thing is a formula is a math rule that uses at least two variables, and it's used to find the value of one of the variables when the other one, you know what it's worth. Okay? It's confusing? Don't worry, I'm going to show you. For example, look at this one. Y equals 2x plus 1. But then we figure out, hey, wait a minute, we know what x is. X is 3. So let's plug that in. Now we know that y equals 2 times 3 plus 1. Okay, well, I can sort that out. Y equals 6 plus 1, so y must equal 7. Okay, then you could use that to fill in. So then if the value of x changed, you could change the value of y using this formula. Okay? I'll show you another example. Here's another example. M equals 25t plus 100. And then we find out, wait a minute, t is actually 4. So let's figure that out. M equals 25 times 4, because we realized that t is 4. We've just plugged that into that formula. Okay, plus 100. So m equals 100 plus 100. So in this instance, m equals 200. Now we could use that to make a table where we would say when m is 200, t is 4. Okay, and then obviously if we change the value of t, it would change the value of m. So the formula is really a way that we use to describe a relationship between two variables. It's a very useful technique, and it's something that we have been using already because you used it when you were calculating measurements, when you were looking at perimeters, when you were looking at area. You were using these formulas, okay? Base times height. And then when the base changed and the height changed, the area changed, okay? And one other thing I want to talk to you about is the way that we use algebra to work out patterns and rules. This is something we've been playing with in our What's My Rule game, so this should also be familiar to you. But I just want to show you a classic. It's the old matchstick triangle. Sorry, my matchsticks are a little bit weak. That's why I'm not your art teacher. So as you can see, I've drawn 3 matchsticks into a triangle. I've got them right here. Okay. Okay, so I've got 3 matchsticks equals 1 triangle, but then I realized I could actually add just 2 more matchsticks to equal another triangle. So if I add this together, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 matchsticks, but they've made 3 triangles. So when I discovered this, I made this table. It's the number of triangles compared to the number of matchsticks. Well, when I had 1 triangle, it took 3 matchsticks. But because I was using the sides of the other triangle, when I had 2 triangles, I only needed 5 matchsticks. When I had 3 triangles, I only needed 7. So I can use that pattern then to establish a rule. And in this instance, the rule is 1 plus 2 triangle, 2 times the triangle. Or if you wanted to make that x, 1 plus 2x. Okay? I worked out that rule because I had established a pattern. So you can work it that way. Okay, I hope this has helped you to understand a little bit more about algebra, to increase your confidence, and good luck.